Hello again everyone, it's Mel from Stocksbridge Guitar Tech and we're here with lesson number 18, and in this lesson I'm going to show you the E minor pentatonic scale. That little introduction there, the solo I was playing was just played in the E minor pentatonic scale. So it's a very simple scale, it suits the guitar really well, and there's quite a lot of mileage that you can get out of this scale. So let's zoom in and let's have a look at the notes in the E minor pentatonic scale. So for this E minor pentatonic scale, we're just going to focus on the first 3 frets. So up to here. The notes in this scale are E, G, A, B and D. That's it, just those 5 notes. So we play the open low E, then we play the 3rd fret, which is G on the low E, then we play the open A, the 5th string, then the 2nd fret of the 5th string, which gives us B, and then the 4th string, the open D, just open. Those are the 5 notes of the scale: E, G, A, B and D. And then the scale just repeats itself, because when we go to the 2nd fret of the 4th string, the D string, we're back at E again. So just practice that first octave for a while until you get used to it. So it's open string to 3rd fret on the E, then it's open string to 2nd fret on the A, same on the D string, open string to the 2nd fret, and then walk back down. And then once you've got that octave, we can move on. So now we're here on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. This is another E. So then from here we play the open 3rd string, which is G, then the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, which is A, then the open 2nd string, B, then the 3rd fret of the B string, which is D, and then the open E string, high E, and then we can put the ring finger, or whichever finger's comfortable for you, on the 3rd fret of the high E string as well. So that second part, starting from the 2nd fret of the 4th string, we go from there to open to 2nd on the G string, on the B string open to the 3rd, and on the high E string open to the 3rd again. So the entire scale is E, G, A, B, D, E, G, A, B, D, E, G. So on the low E it's 1 to 3. Then on the 3 next strings it's open to 2. And then on the 2 high strings it's open to 3 again. So we have 3 strings where we play open to the 3rd fret, the low E, the high E and the B, and then we have 3 strings where we play from the open string to the 2nd fret, the 5th, 4th and 3rd strings, A, D and G string. So practice that minor pentatonic scale. That's over just over 2 octave range. In the next lesson, lesson 19, I'm going to teach you shape 2 of the E minor pentatonic. We'll go through all the 5 shapes in consecutive lessons. So next lesson is going to be shape 2, but practice that one. It's very easy once you get the hang of it, and that's the easiest shape, is shape 1. So go away, practice it, try and memorize it, and I'll see you on lesson 19. As ever, please remember to subscribe and click the little bell notification if you find these lessons helpful. I hope you do, and I hope to see you on lesson 19. That's all for today. Bye.